Hello SECODians, you are all welcome to this video presentation of one of our products, which is our DC 12-volt blender with milk attachment. So today we are going to be blending these fresh tomatoes, and to do that we'll also be making use of this 18 amps battery. So I'll open it and remove this. This is the part of the blender that allows you to blend dry products. So we'll put in our fresh tomatoes and put a little bit of water. So we'll cover it. The red terminal, which is the positive, and the black, which is the negative. So to use this, you connect the red to the red parts on the battery, and you connect the black to the black point on the battery. If you also observe, our blender has buttons with instructions. So now, since this is connected, we'll go ahead to blend. So this is evident. You can see how our fresh tomatoes was smoothly blended. No external connection to any other power source, just the blender connected to the battery. You can also use this battery or also your car battery to blend any products using this blender. So we employ you to come get our products. They are tested and trusted. Our mall is located at the First Owando filling station after Otedola Bridge on your way to Moe at Bega Express. SECODI, easy life for all. Thanks for watching.